ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? This is smart grammar of English at Honey. Do your best. I will see you when I blank back. With your answer. The answer should be gate. Is the correct answer. The next one is question number 65. You blank to do your homework before you went out. በቃ ከመውጣት በፊት የቤት ስራን ሰርተ እንደምትወጣ በቃ ይታሰባል። ስለዚህ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? Are you supposing? We're supposing. አንዳንዶቻችሁ we're supposing የምትሉ ልትኖሩ ትችላላችሁ። This is passive. So the answer should be ይታሰባል ነው። ይታሰባል። You were supposed to do. B is the answer. B ነው መልሱ። ትክክለኛ መልስ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? The answer should be B. The next one is question number 66. Boys will be boys. This is called boys will be boys. በሉት boys will be boys. Boys will be boys. ልጅ ያወቀው ለራት አይበቃም ማለት ነው። ልጅ ያወቀው ለራት አይበቃም ማለት boys will be boys. This is called ይሄ አባባል poem ነው፣ proverb ነው፣ figurative speech ነው፣ riddle ነው. Which one is the correct answer? The answer B. ማነው ነው? Yes. The answer should be B. Proverb. The next one is question number 69. Sorry, you can't speak to Mahalit. She blank a baz. Will your answer? Yes. The answer should be B. Sorry, you can't speak to Mahalit. She is having a bath. One is question number 72. Either of them belong to blame. They now the only key we have with them. So, will your answer? Either of, neither of, each of. የሚባሉት ነገሮች neither of, either of, each of, one of, every of ካለ ሁሌ የሚወስደው ምን አይነት ነው ማለት ነው? ቨርቡ ሲንጉላር ቨርብ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ either of is to blame ነው የምንል፣ has to blame ነው የምንል፣ have to blame ነው የምንል. Which one is the answer? Should be either of them is to blame. The answer is A. The next one is question number 68. We are putting up a nice 3 weeks in advance. Blank, you have enough time to process your travel. Will your answer? So as, in order, so that, so as that ይላል። ማነው የእናንተ መልስ? When we just learn it. Subordinate conjunction which express purpose ስትማሩ ታስታውሳላችሁ። መልሱ ማን የሚሆነው? So that is the correct answer. C ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ። The next one is question number 70. I think my father blank in this college since 2000. Teaches, taught, is teaching, has taught. ማን የሚሆነው መልሱ? መልሳችን የሚሆነው ዲ ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ። has taught. The next one is question number 72. What is blank the television tonight? ዛሬ ምን ነገር አለ? በቃ ዛሬ ምንድነው ያለው? ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? What is on the television tonight? The answer should be on ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ። You can refer your grade. Okay, question number 73. My house blanking to last night before the second time. Passive ነው። ይሄ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? My house blanking to last night for the second time has broken. So the answer should be has broken is the correct answer. Question number 74. This question is blank. The next one. Less difficult than, as difficult as. So the answer should be as difficult as more difficult አንልም። እነዚህ less difficult than መኖር ነበራቸው። difficult than more difficult than ነበር መባል የነበረበት። ስለዚህ as positive ይሆናል ማለት ነው። መልሳችን C ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The next one is question number 71. She blanked the room after she blanked her homework. Leaves እና had done ይሆናል። left እና had done ይላል። living have done is living do. What your answer should be ማንም የሆነው መልሱ she left the room after she had done her homework. ይህ ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ። Who's next one? Question number 75. If I blank time, I will do some shopping. Had, have, will have, am having. ማንም የሆነው መልሱ ይህ ካላችሁ ትክክል። ምክንያቱም ታይፕ 1 ኮንዲሽናል ሰንቴንስ ስትማሩ ሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት መጠቀም ይችላል፣ ፕሬዘንት ፕሮግሬሲቭ መጠቀም ይችላል፣ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት መጠቀም እንችላለን። ስለዚህ ፕሬዘንት የሆኑትን ነገሮች አራቱንም መጠቀም እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ መልሳችን the answer should be E. Question number 80. A room blank for you at the Hilton Hotel. A room blank for you at the Hilton Hotel. በቃ ተይዞላል ሂልተን ሆቴል ላይ ማደሪያ ተይዞላል። ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? መልሳችን ምንድነው የሚሆነው? The answer should be has been reserved. Passive ነው የሚሆነው። A room has been reserved for you at the Hilton Hotel. Next one, question number 53. Blank, it rained heavily. We blank had to cancel our trip. The road was too muddy. በቃ ጉዟችን ምንድነው ሰርዘነዋል። ምክንያቱም በጣም ኃይለኛ ዝናብ ዘንቦ ስለነበር ነው። አሁን ምንድነው የምትሉት? Blank, it rained heavily. We had to cancel our trip. The road was too muddy. Will your answer? Yes, you are right. የሚሆነው ኤ ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ። subordinate conjunction which express reason. ለምንድን ነው ጉዟችን የሰረዝነው? because it rained so heavily. መልሱ የሚሆነው ሲንስ ነው ማለት ነው። question number 90. They took her to the dentist. Blank, she could get some help. Will your answer? The answer should be that ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ። ስትማሩ የምታስታውሱን ነገር አስታውሱ። just subordinate conjunction which express purpose የሚለውን ማስታወስ የእናንተ ነው ማለት ነው። They took her to the dentist that she could get some help. In order to ለማለት just in order to get some help. አሁን she could የሚለውን ትተን in order to get some help ቢባል ይቻል ነበር፣ ግን እዚህ ጋር ሳብጀክት አለ። They took her to the dentist that she could get some help. The answer should be that. Next one, question number 56. Not all the seats in the exam hall blank taken yet. ሁሉም የመፈተኛ ሩሞች not all the seats in the exam hall blank taken yet. ማን የሚሆነው? has ነው፣ are ነው፣ where ነው፣ have ነው። so the answer should be yes. C ካላችሁት አልተያዙም፣ passive ነው። The next one is question number 63. By the year 2002, the cure for both HIV/AIDS and Ebola Ilna blank A was discovered, will be discovered, had been discovered, will have been discovered. Will your answer? By the year, እንደዚህ by next year, by tomorrow, by the coming months የሚል ካለ ምንጊዜም ሁሌም ነው ፊውቸር ፐርፌክት መሆኑን the answer should be ማንም የሆነው ማለት ነው። ዲ ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ። The next one is 45 is a dialogue here. X ምን አለ? She doesn't like eating sandwich. She doesn't like eating sandwich. Z blank. Next one. The next one, nor do I, so do I, neither am I am too. Will you answer? the answer should be የሚሆነው መልሳችን የሚሆነው ኦኬ ኤ ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ not do I because it is negative sentence what's the next sentence my sister blanked me a parcel 2 weeks ago but I received it only yesterday ማንም የሚሆነው መልሳችን የሚሆነው ኤ ይሆናል ማለት ነው ኤ ይሆናል sent because 2 weeks ago ስለሆነ 2 weeks ago the next one is question number 53 by the time you graduate she belong someone else and had children better forget her would marry has married will have married had married what your answer by the time አሁን ቅድም የነገርኳችሁን ጥያቄ አስታውሱ by the time you graduate she belongs someone else and had children better forget her ማነው የሚሆነው past perfect ነው ወይስ ደግሞ future perfect ነው ማነው የሚሆነው መልሳችን ቅድም እንደነገርኳችሁ አስታውሱ ሲ ነው መልሳችን ሲ next one question number ሲ ነው የሚሆነው ስለዚህ በደንብ አድርጋችሁ እዩት future perfectም በደንብ አንብቡት okay thanks for watching this video all of you goodbye